Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. And I will be reviewing this cutie here. I reviewed it about 4 years ago. The one I have today is the color, is the Sis Sister Wig MODA. And I have it in the color 1B30. I also have it in the 99J color. Okay. So that's what she looks like. It's a yaki textured wig. So let me tell you the specifics of this wig. Okay. Okay, I'm turning it inside out. Okay, it has a light and airy wig cap construction, even though the wig itself, the hair is very thick. It has like the half moon part, put powder in the part. It has 2 combs, one on each side of the part. And it's a comb, 1 comb in the back, along with the tag, and 2 adjustable straps. And let me see. And I did have to cut off some lace. This is super old, y'all. So that's what she looks like. So let's put her on. I'm not sure if I got it from a beauty supply store back then or Amazon. So I'm putting on my wig grip. And I just got my own hair in a ball in the back. I don't braid my hair down or nothing. I ain't got time for all that. That's tight. I don't do discomfort. Okay. Let's put her on. And I don't comb these types of wigs because it'll get big and bushy. I just put my mousse on it and I just scrunch it with my fingers. So it has a left side part, which I love. And I don't attach the front combs. I only put the back comb up under the wig grip. Okay. That's a quick do. It looks like a braid out or a twist out. Like I said, it's yaki textured hair. Synthetic. Okay. I'm done. I'm gonna put powder in that part. That's it, yeah. Okay, let me show you how this left side looks. You see the length of it. See how the back looks. And I turn to the right side. I think she's cute. I don't don't know where my 99J wig is like this. It's like wine colored. It's cute. So let me get a thumbnail. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it has a hand tied part. MODA. Okay, that was short. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.